In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for an EIN, an employee identification number, for free, whether or not you're a sole proprietorship or you have a business. I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom to the walkthrough so you can follow along on the IRS's website. So here we go with the registration for your EIN. Scroll down, click on the Apply Online Now button. Wait for that to load, then click Begin Application. Now you want to choose your entity type if you're a sole proprietorship, or if you're an LLC, or if you're going to do a corporation. Check off the one that applies to you. For this one, I'm going to use an LLC, and I'm going to click on Continue. Then we're going to click on Continue again. Now, how many members of your LLC? I'm going to say that we have one for this walkthrough, but put the amount that owns the LLC. And for this, I'm going to choose the state of Florida. Choose your state, click Continue. Now you're going to click Continue again, and then you're going to put the reason for applying for this EIN. I'm going to say that we started a new business, but if you're sole proprietor and you just hired employees, that would be the reason. And then we can go to the next page. That's just information for the IRS. Doesn't affect anything else. So on this page, now we're going to fill out your basic information and your social security number, or EIN, which is your tax identification number. So I'm going to go ahead and put my information here just for this walkthrough. And then we can click here. I am one of the owners, or if this is you're filling this out for somebody else, then check off I'm a third party. But if it's for you, check off that first radio button, then put the address of your business. So where is the LLC physically located? Now, if it's registered to your home address, that's perfectly fine. Go ahead and put that in there. Then, do you have a different address from the one above where you want this stuff mailed to? So if you have an LLC, but you want it mailed to your home, you can do that as well. I'm going to say no and click Continue. Now on this page, you want to put in the legal name of the LLC, which occurred at the state level when you applied for your business's name. So go ahead and put that information in there, and then the month and year that you started your business. So I'm going to put for this walkthrough January 2021. And then click Continue. Now, tell us about your LLC. Now, answer yes or no to any of these questions. Does your business own a highway motor vehicle with a taxable gross weight of 55,000 pounds or more? No. Does your business involve gambling? No. Does your business need to file Form 720? No. Does your business sell or manufacture alcohol, tobacco, and firearms? No. Do you have or do you expect to have any employees who will receive a W-2? If it's yes or no, go ahead and check it off. Of course, any of these, go ahead and read them through. And if they apply to you, obviously check off yes, otherwise no, and continue to the next page. Now you want to put the category that you're in. So take a minute to go through each one of these, making sure that you're checking off the correct category. So I'm going to go ahead and check off food services. Again, I'm just doing this as a walkthrough for fictitious EIN for this walkthrough. You have chosen food services. So then it's going to ask you additional questions. So I'm going to say this is a coffee shop. We're going to click Continue. And then you're going to go to the confirmation page. Now, I would just recommend going in and clicking off that first option so you can get the PDF right away, which will have your EIN. It doesn't cost anything, and you got it instantly. Now, let me go ahead and pull up what it will look like from a business that I have. So this will be what it looks like. You'll have your business name, the address, and your EIN right there at the top. And I've blurred it out, obviously, but you can see that the EIN is going to be right there, and the date of this notice, which is going to be today's date. And you'll have all the information that you need for your EIN. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave your comments down at the bottom.